Every law enforcement agency in the country has a concern about the quality of the data going into their systems, because the federal government and the state governments are funding agencies to share data, and the sharing of data can only be accomplished if it's consistent and if it's data quality. So ultimately, BlueStreak is on the earliest stages of a momentum that's building. A product like BlueStreak can help and assist in structuring that data at the crime event, so that as information is being put into the records management system, it comes in a data quality mode. So as a result, the analysis comes out the back end.
Pay-as-you-go is a good solution for small and medium-sized police departments because it allows them to manage the costs associated with the use of technology.
You have a lot of high-priced vendors who are trying to sell you a $500,000, $1 million CAD, and consultant operations want to sell you a $5 million study of a CAD, and here's a nice, efficient solution. BlueStreak has the capacity to become a disruptive technology.
The questionnaire model is probably the thing that makes BlueStreak most different. New officers have a lot of things to learn. You know, they're not going to school so that they can do algorithms, they're going to school to fight crime. And so they can go out to the field, all the questions are being asked that they need to ask, all the information is getting through, and the rejection rates can go from 69% to 20 to 25%.
Teaching the local law enforcement officers how to query a template such as the BlueStreak template is a needed skill, and it's something, you know, the industry has to take very seriously.
If you can provide sufficient information where they might be able to take a lead from the crime event and start the analysis and the investigation immediately, we might be able to stop crimes much, much sooner. In much the same way that the Amber Alert gets information to the public quicker, now cases are closed very simply and very quickly.
Data security is a really hot topic. We have a level of security in our operations center that is far beyond anything that anybody would ever invest in the police department, just because the business of our operations center is to capture and secure information. So the security that they're going to get from our operations center far outweighs any security they'd be able to afford to have on a system that they had internally.
We know the way you need to get in with police officers is to build up a trust, and we've done that from day one. We've brought in the right people with the right contacts, and we want to let them know that we're in this market to stay, and that we're going to develop a set of software solutions or managed service solutions that will be there for the long run.